Hi there, my gotcha kids. Welcome back to Gotcha. Let's draw. Today, we're drawing a playful and adorable friend. Can you guess who it is? It's our favorite pal, a dog. Let's get started and bring this pup to life. First, grab your markers. Let's start with the shape of the dog's face by drawing the number 6. Now below that, draw another 6, leaving a little gap in between. Perfect! These will form the face and body of our dog. From the top of the first 6, draw a shape like this for the head. Then extend it with a curve for the mouth. Imagine the dog is about to give you a big smile. Now let's connect the bottom of the 6 to the mouth line with a curved line. Look at that. The head outline is ready. Time to give our dog some style. Let's add a collar. Draw a cute neck collar belt like this. It's gonna look so adorable. Now for the legs, draw number 1 going down from the right side of the collar for the front leg. Then draw another small one next to it for the second part of the leg. At the bottom, add a paw with some cute curved lines. Amazing! Let's draw the body next. From the bottom 6, draw a curved line to join the leg. And just above the first paw, add another paw for the leg behind. Our pup is taking shape now. How's it looking so far? What's missing? Oh, the back leg. Let's add a small paw on the bottom 6 for the backside leg. And of course, every dog needs a wagging tail. Draw a backward J shape for the tail. Isn't it adorable? Add a few lines on the paws to make them look real. Next, let's add some details to make our dog extra cute. Draw a circle for the eyes, and inside it draw 2 small shiny circles. Now add an eyebrow and a few little eyelashes for extra charm. Don't forget to color the inside black, except for those tiny shiny spots. Let's make the collar belt fancy. Add a few dots on the belt. And of course, a black dot for the nose. It's like a doggy button. We can add a little circle here to the belt with 3 lines inside to make it look fancy. Look at that, our doggy is all drawn and ready for some color. Grab your colors, gotcha kids. Let's make our dog bright and cheerful. Use red for the collar. Green for the little circle on the collar. And pick any color you like for the body. I'm using a yellowish brown color to make our dog look cozy and cute. Don't forget to color the tail too. And ta-da! Our dog is done. Great job, everyone. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Gotcha. Let's draw! I'd love to see your dog drawings, so share them with me. See you next time, Gotcha kids, and keep drawing!